Hi, and welcome back to Live to Fish Outboard Repair. This is part 2 and the final conclusion of this StarCraft 45 horsepower Chrysler. And it had some poor running condition. Actually, it only had spark on one cylinder, and it was intermittent. So I dug in and we found out what's wrong and got it corrected. So stay tuned for that, and you'll see the conclusion.
Okay, I got both coils put back in. These are the new ones that came in. I just wanted to point out something else about the old coil that was in there. How much skinnier these are compared to the new ones. The new ones are much, much thicker in diameter. But they fit in there, and I was only able to use the rubber insulator that's in there on the back side. I couldn't use it on the front because it was what was in there originally was too thick and I couldn't get it into the bracket, but I think this is going to work okay. I don't see why it wouldn't. Yeah, I'm still not seeing any spark. What the heck? I got to pull that off anyway and put new points on it. I can inspect the points, see if they're all crudted up. Maybe that's what it is. Okay, I had to chase the threads down on my bolt here for the pulley. Because it actually I stripped the threads in the balancer end. This I just retapped them out and cleaned the threads out. Made some new threads, and I'm hoping this will work. Strip it out again. Yeah, that is on there tight. Yeah, I think it's gonna. Okay, finally I got it to pop. All right. From what I can tell, nice and clean under there, but I'm going to check the magnets with a screwdriver to see what I get. Oh yeah, they're strong. Magnets are internal to the flywheel. Okay. I'm going to clean these points up. I'm going to put the flywheel back on and see if I get spark. Maybe I can get you in there to see it. If yeah, you can look right there. And you can see how black they are. Those are supposed to be a mirror shine. Bear with me, folks, for a second here. See if you can see the other side. Yeah, see how black they look? And these are already open, so maybe you can take a look at that. If you're looking right here. And there's no shine to those at all. They're completely rusty, nasty. So I'm just going to clean those up real quick. Pretty dirty. I'm going to spin that crank, get those others to close, those other set of points to close. Well, I'll be damned. Those points aren't even opening. That's strange. I wonder what's going on there. All right, those opened and closed. On this side, on the port side, starboard side is not opening and closing at all. Now, that's probably why the coil burned up too. I'll be darned. I can see why now. This condenser has been shoved over into the point's way. Okay, well, let's see here. Let's see. Yeah. Right, that's why that condenser was shoved over, hitting the point. Now, did I do that when I was screwing in those screws to pull off the flywheel? Possibly. Oh, there it goes. She's opening up now, closing. Yep. Open and close. Okay. Now, open there. They're open. The others are closed. Okay. Now they're closed. The other side's open. Okay. Now I can clean these. Just want to put a little spring pressure on. I was wondering why that. I didn't look at that condenser, but that condenser was pushed right over. Right in the way of the points. And I probably did that with my screws, my 3 screws going into the flywheel. I had to screw that one in deep because it wasn't, the threads were kind of getting a little bit weak on the flywheel, so I had to put it in deeper. Could have been me. But we have new condensers in case that something happened to it. Yeah, these points are filthy. Wow. Now my plan was to do a tune-up on this and replace the points and condenser. But I just want to see if we can get it running. See if we got spark back. I'm just going to wipe a little acetone on them. put a little bit on the card and then wipe it through. Yeah, that was a that was the wasp. You seen that fly? Boat was clean when he brought it here. It's been sitting here a couple weeks now. Not so clean anymore. Okay. Now, that looks a little better. That up with a key. Okay, this time I'm not going to put it on so tight. That thing was way too tight. Good enough for now. Let me pull that back off again. Now we can see if we got spark. They were starting to get hot with the key on, so I should be seeing spark. I just saw it. I did see it. Top one I saw spark. Let's see. For some reason, not seeing it on the bottom one again. Why? Not seeing it on the bottom. Let's see. It might be because this contact is really loose too. The spring in here might be. Might need to tighten that up a little. Anyway. Well, I got shocked. I don't know from what. Yeah, I see spark now. Must have been the bulb on the other one. I think she's full enough. It's well over the pump. I'm gonna shut the water off. I've got it in the, I've got the pump, the primer bulb primed, and I've got it in the fast idle position. I just got to turn the key. Well, that's a good sign. I don't see the choke switch, but I did see the choke close when I turned the key. she was going to do that. Two turns out and see what that does. I went back in about maybe another half a turn in and it started to smooth out a little bit. That was a good gear.
happy customer. Stay tuned for the next episode of Live to Fish Outboard Repair. Give me a thumbs up, like and share, and subscribe.